Getting your pet's prescription from the Revival Animal Health Pharmacy is easy. Just follow these simple steps. You can order online or over the phone.
Next, choose how you want to get the prescription to us.
Simply select one of the following 3 options.
Option 1, let us contact your vet. Our pharmacy team is happy to reach out to your vet to get the prescription.
Option 2, have your vet contact us. After your order is placed, your veterinarian can fax or call in the prescription to the numbers on our website at revivalanimal.com.
Option 3, pop it in the mail. Either you or your vet can mail us the original written prescription once your order is placed. Our address is listed on our website, or you can give us a call and we would be happy to get that for you.
And that's it. If you have any questions, call us at 800-786-4751 or visit revivalanimal.com. Hi! If you're watching on YouTube and new to our channel, consider subscribing. And don't miss our other pet health videos.